Here we go. We're going to take a look at the last problem that we had on Friday's work. Um, we'll just kind of jump around and see whichever letters we get to first, and your order may be different, but just take a look at your answers and compare them to mine. If you got any questions, let me know. The very first thing that I see here is a very inviting pod of 4 angles right here. 3 of them we need to find, and we've been given 1. So that's probably where I would start. You might have started with A, and that would absolutely work there, but we'll get to it. The first thing I notice is that this line goes straight like this, and I see that there is a supplementary relationship between 125-degree angle and angle E. So 180 minus 125 is 55 degrees. So we've got that one. Now I notice that E and C are vertical. So this has to be 55 degrees. And 125 degrees and D are vertical. So this is 125 degrees. So just like that, we've got E, D, and C. Um, right now, I see that there's a quadrilateral here. And to get a missing angle, I need 3 angles. And the problem is I've got a missing angle here and a missing angle there. I think I can get this one pretty quick, but I'm just going to look around. I notice here that this is a triangle where all 3 angles would add up to be 180. This is 90 degrees here, and 90 and 40 is 130. And so we would subtract that 130 from 180 and find out that angle A is 50 degrees. So now we've got A, B, C, D, and E, or excuse me, A, C, D, and E. So now what's left is we need to worry about F, B, H, and G. So as I look at these, I finally take a look at the bottom of the page there, and I see that we've got a nice triangle set up right here. So 125 plus 30 is 155, and 155 subtracted from 180 is 25. So this is 25 degrees. Same thing here, we've got a triangle set up here, so 70 and 35 is 105. Subtract that from 180 and we get 75. So after taking a look at this, we're making progress. Now we've just got to find a way of how can we get one of these 2 missing angles so we can go find the 4th angle of this quadrilateral. Well, these 2 are found, and it comes down to these. There's, it's not complementary between B and A because there's not a right angle sign. It's not supplementary because they're not sitting on a straight line. They're definitely not vertical. They're in different shapes, so I can't use triangle or quad to work with B and A. So I'm just at a dead end with B. If we're going to solve this, we got to do something with F. Now, F is in this quadrilateral, but there's nothing that I can use from that quadrilateral to get F. So is there something I can get over here with this, well, this angle right here, this right angle? And I notice right here that they're both sitting on a straight line. So this angle to the left plus this angle to the right should equal 180 degrees. So I'm going to write F minus 10 plus this angle right here, 90, should equal 180 degrees. Negative 10 plus 90 should simplify down to positive 80. So these are gone and accounted for, and the F can drop down. And so we can minus 80 from both sides now. And I find out that F itself is 100. So F is 100. However, this angle right here, 100 minus 10, is 90. So the angle is 90, but if you're putting in the answer for me, it's wanting just F, and that would be 100. Okay, and now that we've done that, let's take a look at this. We've got 55, 125, and 90. So we're just going to add them up. it looks like I've got 270. Okay, so all three of these blue circled angles in this quadrilateral are 270, and now we need to come through and find out what that is. So because it's a quadrilateral, there's 360 degrees. We'll minus the sum of the known three angles, which is 270, and we find out pretty quickly that B is 90 degrees.